Funchal is great as you're in the capital city. It's very convenient for shops, restaurants, spas going out, but also convenient for buses to other places on the island as well. Or if you're doing a tour, then often they will pick you up from any hotel in Funchal or the Funchal area. So it's great for that as well. So if you don't drive or don't want to drive, some of the roads on the island are pretty narrow and pretty steep. So if you are in that situation, then, or if you're from the UK and you don't want to drive on the right of the road, then Funchal is really a great place to you. It's also for you, it's also a good place to explore in its own right. It's got beaches like the Praia Formosa. You see here the market, the shops, the port, the Ronaldo Museum statue. So it's also great in its own right and great for food as well. Lots of restaurants in the area and also pretty near Funchal Madeira Airport is around a 20-minute drive. So it's not too far either in taxi or transfer. And there is also the Aerobus that does take longer depending on where in Funchal you're staying. But it is a lot cheaper at only €6. So first of all, Pestana, any Pestana hotel brand is going to be pretty good. They have quite a few hotels in the Funchal area actually, and their grounds are normally really nice. They're beachfront locations, so as you can see here, rooms are pretty clean and modern. They often have a lot of pools that you can see or gardens that you can walk around in. They have various board bases as well. Some are all inclusive, some are not. So obviously there's the famous Reed's Palace is